How to fix Escape Simulator 2 crashing on Steam. First go to the library, right click on the game, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Now once this is done, go to the general tab and under launch options add the following command, which is -dx11, and then you can close this window. Next you'll need to open up your browser and then search for Redist. Click on the first link and then come down to this table, which is the second table right here, and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 version and install both of them individually. Now if you run the installer, you might find that sometimes you have it already installed, so just click the repair button to repair it. And once you're done, you will need to also check for your GPU updates. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you'll need to have NVIDIA app installed. Go to the drivers section, and then from here select Game Ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. And then you will simply need to restart your computer and just open up Steam and launch the game after restart, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.